Mastering vegetable seedling, transplanting, tips for success. Hey, gardening enthusiasts! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the crucial topic of transplanting vegetable seedlings for optimal growth. If you're ready to boost your gardening game, let's get started. Get it how you live it. First things first. When should you transplant your vegetable seedlings? Aim for 2 to 4 weeks after germination, once they've developed 2 to 4 true leaves. This ensures they're robust enough for the transition. Timing matters. For a smooth transplant process, consider doing it in the evening or on a cloudy day. This reduces stress on the seedlings. If daytime is your only option, opt for early morning or late afternoon to dodge the scorching midday sun. Equip yourself with the right tools, seedlings, a trowel, watering can, and, of course, nutrient-rich soil. Having everything ready beforehand ensures a seamless transplanting experience. Transplanting too early, not hardening, off seedlings. There you have it, our guide to mastering vegetable seedling transplanting. Give your plants the best start possible, and you'll be rewarded with a thriving garden. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more gardening tips, and share your experiences in the comments below. Happy gardening!